Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OneDrive for securing brand assets in Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. Locate the Sign Up or Get OneDrive button on the home page and click it. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new one. Fill out the required fields to set up your Microsoft account. Once your account is created, return to the OneDrive homepage. Click on the Download button to get the OneDrive application for Windows. After the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of OneDrive. Once installed, open the OneDrive application from your Start menu. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. You will be asked to choose a location for your OneDrive folder. Select your desired location or go with the default setting, then click Next. Review the additional settings and click Next to continue. Once the setup is complete, your OneDrive folder will open automatically. To add brand assets, simply drag and drop files into this OneDrive folder. These files will begin to sync with the cloud and be accessible from any device. You can share files and folders directly from OneDrive for collaboration. To check your storage space, click on the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. Monitor your usage and upgrade your plan if necessary by visiting the OneDrive settings. Now, your brand assets are securely stored and easily accessible in OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.